Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're watching the go-to place for everything on two wheels. From the latest motorcycle launches to in-depth reviews, we've got you covered. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to never miss an update from the world of bikes. The Yamaha R15, a name that resonates with every enthusiast who dreams of supersport styling, sharp handling, and track-inspired performance, all in a lightweight, beginner-friendly package. Over the years, Yamaha's R15 has evolved dramatically, gaining not just in performance, but also in design and technology. And now, in 2026, Yamaha has once again raised the bar with the all-new R15 version 5, or V5 as we like to call it. The fuel tank is more muscular, offering better thigh grip and a more commanding presence. Even the tail section has been redesigned. It's now sleeker, with split LED tail lamps and a sportier rear cowl that enhances the bike's aerodynamic profile. The fairing is slightly wider, helping in better wind deflection, which is a plus for high-speed riding. But Yamaha didn't stop at just aesthetics and tech. The biggest changes are where they matter the most, under the skin. The heart of the R15 V5 is a familiar yet refined 155 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, SWHC engine with VVA. Yamaha's variable valve actuation system. Power figures stand at a solid 19.6 PS at 10,000 RPM and 14.4 Newton-meters of torque at 8,000 RPM. But the magic lies in how that power is delivered. Thanks to an updated ECU and revised gearing, the R15 V5 feels more responsive in the low and mid-range while still retaining that high-revving top end the R15 is famous for. Acceleration is brisk. 0 to 60 comes in under 4 seconds, and it can comfortably touch speeds around 140 km per hour on an open stretch. The slipper clutch and quickshifter, yes, it's now standard even in the base variant, ensure buttery smooth gear changes, both up and down. It's honestly hard to believe this kind of tech is available in a 155 cubic centimeters motorcycle. Suspension is handled by USD forks up front, finished in gold for that premium look, and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. The setup has been tweaked for better feedback and improved ride quality. On city roads, the V5 handles potholes and speed breakers with grace. But take it to a twisty section, and this thing transforms. The chassis is still the legendary Delta Box frame, known for its rigidity and confidence-inspiring behavior at high speeds and in corners. Braking performance has also seen an upgrade. The new R15 V5 comes with dual-channel ABS, as before, but now with a slightly larger 282mm front disc and a revised brake caliper for more bite and better modulation. Rear disc remains at 220mm and gets the job done well. One of the key highlights for 2026 is the new ride-by-wire throttle. Yes, Yamaha has brought this tech to the R15. Throttle response is now crisper and smoother. Combined with the riding modes, you can really feel the difference in how the bike behaves, especially in terms of throttle sensitivity and power delivery. The riding ergonomics also see a slight revision. The clip-ons are set a bit lower, and the foot pegs are rear set a bit more. This makes the posture a tad more committed, great for aggressive riding, but maybe not ideal for very long commutes. That said, Yamaha has smartly cushioned the split seats, and the tank shape allows better knee lock, giving you more control during spirited riding. As for the tires, the V5 now comes with premium MRF Revs radial tires as standard, 100 section at the front and 140 section at the rear. Grip levels are commendable, and unless you're pushing hard on track days, you won't really feel the need to upgrade. Let's talk about features for a minute. The Yamaha R15 V5 is loaded to the gills. Asterisk dual-channel ABS. Asterisk quickshifter, bidirectional. Asterisk slipper clutch. Asterisk ride-by-wire throttle. Asterisk 2 riding modes. Asterisk Bluetooth connectivity. Asterisk full-color TFT display. Asterisk LED lighting all around. Asterisk gear position indicator. Asterisk lap timer, shift light, and more. It's remarkable how Yamaha has packed so much tech into a sub-160cc machine. But what's the real-world experience like? In city riding, the R15 V5 feels nimble and agile. The VVA system ensures there's enough grunt at lower RPMs, making it easier to navigate traffic. The engine refinement is top-notch. Vibrations are virtually absent till 8,500 RPM, and even at higher revs, it's never harsh. Highway performance is commendable. Cruising at 100 to 110 kilometers per hour feels effortless. The fairing provides decent wind protection, and the chassis stability inspires confidence even when overtaking or dealing with crosswinds. Where the R15 really shines, though, is on the twisty track. The cornering ability, the braking feedback, the engine's eagerness to rev, it all comes together in a package that feels like a mini supersport. Now, let's touch on fuel efficiency, because let's be honest, that's still important in this segment. Despite all the performance upgrades, the R15 V5 manages to return around 40 to 45 km/L in city conditions and can stretch up to 50 km/L on the highway when ridden sensibly. The 11-liter fuel tank ensures a decent range of 400 to 500 kilometers. Coming to colors and variants, Yamaha is offering the R15 V5 in 4 color options. 1 Racing Blue, 2 Metallic Black, 3 Thunder Gray, 4 MotoGP Edition, which of course gets the special graphics and race-inspired branding. The MotoGP Edition is slightly more expensive, but it's easily the best looking of the lot if you're after exclusivity. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the price. The 2026 Yamaha R15 V5 starts at 1.93 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, for the base variant and goes up to 2.05 Indian rupees lakh for the MotoGP edition. Yes, it's on the higher side for a 155 cubic centimeters motorcycle. But considering the features, performance, and overall package, it's hard to argue that you're not getting your money's worth. Of course, it's not perfect. Here are a few things we wish Yamaha had done better. Asterisk, while the TFT display is great, navigation support or turn-by-turn guidance would have been a great addition. Asterisk, the pillion seat is still not very comfortable. It's more of a formality. Asterisk, the aggressive riding posture might not suit everyone, especially for daily commutes or long tours. But at the end of the day, these are minor trade-offs in what is otherwise an outstanding motorcycle. If you're a beginner looking for a bike to learn the ropes on, but don't want to compromise on looks or performance, this is for you. If you're a seasoned rider who wants a nimble machine for daily rides or track days, this is for you. If you just want a head-turner that feels as premium as it looks, this is definitely for you. The 2026 Yamaha R15 V5 continues the legacy of the R15 lineup, offering an unmatched blend of performance, style, and features while still being accessible to the masses. Yamaha has truly made sure that our DNA stays intact, and honestly, we can't wait to see what they do next. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 Yamaha R15 V5, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us what you think about the new R15. Would you buy it? Or would you go for something else? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.